Now, observe that once the call is placed, a whiteboard option has popped up on the right hand side. Now, whiteboard is something that you can use to write to the student and explain anything that you want to. For example, if I'm explaining something on fractions, I can write here and explain it to the student. So you can explain anything to the student by typing or writing on this whiteboard. To write on this whiteboard, you just choose this pen option and write whatever you choose to. Or you can choose to type text here by selecting the size of the text and simply pressing and holding this, and you can type the information. Or you can upload images or any other interactive content that you might have. You can choose them from a file, or you can paste the video link like a YouTube link or any other video link that you're using. You can also undo what you just have done by clicking this back. The pen drop down gives you options to change the pen color. You can also draw geometrical shapes. So the whiteboard offers a lot of interactive options for you, but this will be available to a teacher only when they are in a video call while interacting with the student. In other cases, a whiteboard is not available to the teacher.